Welcome back to Tools and Twists, your one-stop shop for home improvement and DIY projects, where we're doing a little until it becomes a lot. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and be sure to share with a friend. Thank you so much. On today's holiday edition, we'll be creating several DIYs, starting with our conversation piece, candy or cookie dish. Start by removing the fur from your Santa hat. Next, remove the white border from the basket and replace it with the fur. Remove the legs from the Santa sign. Take the bow apart and only use the gold parts to cover the gold ring around the belt area of the basket. Weave it through and add glue to secure it. Once you're done, weave the legs through the base of the basket and secure with glue. Then use the wood dowels to attach the legs and the top part of the sign to the basket with glue. And there you have it, perfect for candy or cookies for Santa. Next up is our mini Christmas tree. You'll begin by removing the base of the candle holder from the actual frame of the tree. Once that's done, you'll take the garland, you'll cut it into strips so that it will be easier to wrap around the stems of the frame. Once you're done, you'll take apart a Dollar Tree ornament, and use those pieces to act as garland around the tree. You'll also use pipe cleaner, a silver pipe cleaner, or any color that you prefer, to wrap around the top of the tree, which is the star. And you'll wrap that several times until it's completely covered. Once it's covered, you can add glue in order to make sure that it stays secure. And there you have it. You've now created the perfect tabletop Christmas tree. Next up is our Black Santa candy dish. To create this, you'll need the Santa head ornament, a clear canister, and some makeup and/or concealer. Use a small brush to apply the makeup to Santa's face. Keep wipes readily available to correct any errors. Once done, attach the Santa head to the canister with glue. I didn't really like Santa's hat, the little piece that they had attached to his hat. So I took an existing ornament that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I took a piece from that and applied it to the top of Santa's hat just to make it look prettier. Look for Black Santa no more. We've now created our very own. Next up is our Santa baby candy dish. As you can see, we started with a clear Dollar Tree canister, which I painted red with the Rust-Oleum Cherry Red spray paint. Once that was done, then I began applying the fur, the ribbon, as well as the pom-pom to the top of the canister. And there you have it, a candy dish that blends in with the Christmas decor. Next up is a super simple candy cane mini wreath. For this, you'll need to remove one individual ring and then begin to wrap it with the candy cane garland, preferably more than one time. Once that's done, then you'll attach the candy cane ornament. I didn't like the bow that came on the candy cane wreath, so I took another bow that I had and placed it on the candy cane in order to make it more visually appealing. And then I attached that to the wreath. Now we've completed this cute mini candy cane wreath that's perfect to add to your holiday decor. Next up is this super cute ornament tieback. What you'll need is an ornament clip and some ribbon, as well as some bells. All you'll need to do is take the bells and attach them to the middle section of the ornament, and then attach the ribbon to the back of the ornament. And there you have it. You have completed a tie back using an ornament. Cute and inexpensive. Last but not least, we have our LED lantern using Target windows from the Dollar Spot, a Ross Christmas tree candle, and gift boxes from the Dollar Tree, as well as the foam board and the LED lights. We'll begin by gluing all of the window panels together. Then we'll cut a piece of foam board in order to create the base, in order to have a surface for our Christmas tree to stand on. Then we'll add the gifts as well as the LED lights, and we'll also add a ribbon around the base of the lantern just for additional flair. And now we have a completed LED lantern. That is again another perfect item for our Christmas holiday decor. Stay tuned for more, so much more. Thanks for watching Tools and Twists. Be sure to follow me on all my other social media platforms. They'll be listed in the description box below, as well as all of the information as to the items that I purchased in this video. Again, thanks for watching.